The first term is meta market. Basically, meta market is a cluster of complementary products and services that are closely related in the mind of consumer but is spread across a diverse set of industry. Let me make it more simple. What does it mean is basically this is for a both customer point of view as well as marketeers and company point of view. What a company, when a company or a customers is going to buy anything, let us take the example of a customer. He is going to buy a car, and when he is going to buy a car, the car, along with that car, there are something in his mind, like I may install the music system in my car, I may go and decorate my car, so I will also take the insurance for my car. Various things is coming in his mind, and this caterers or these various things are not available or not given from a actual car manufacturers, but the retailer who is selling this car, they also realize without because of their experience and direct interaction with the customer, they realize that customers are going to the different places for their different complementary product, not the compulsory products, because compulsory products of the car is already given. So those products, so instead of going in different places for music system, they may go to the music market. For cover and all this decorative item, they may go to the place where these things are available. So instead of going any places, or if all these products are available in one place or can be provided by the retailers or of the car or showroom owner of the car can provide these all things in the same place, then it is called as meta market. So with the help of example, it is very clear to you. Meta market is all about the cluster of complementary goods. Let me give you another example. A college. Students are coming to learn in the college. So what is the compulsory goods? What are the compulsory things which must be available? Like classroom, board, LCD, projectors, class teacher, supporting staffs. These are the compulsory things which must be available, and this is expected. And what are the things apart from this students are expected? Like maybe they think that there must be a parking space there, not a library. Remember, library is a compulsory things for the college, but it may be the parking space, it may be the stationery shop, it may be the cafeteria. These are the things, instead of going outside of the college, all the things is available within the campus of the college, and this complementary goods together will be provided by the college, and it will benefit both for colleges in terms of revenue as well as their image, as well as the students in terms of their time saving and getting all the things in one place. Another example which is there in your slide is the automobile meta market consists of automobile manufacturers, as I told you, new car. Sometimes they also provide the used car dealer. Means if a person cannot or not be able to go for the new car because of the financial crisis, he may go for the used car. So instead of going to the other place, the same company can provide. Financial company, maybe some non-financial institution or a staff from the bank to support the person who can go for the loan of the car. Insurance companies, car insurance is must, so that one is there. Auto magazine, music system, so these all things can be available in one place. Other example, or also you can say as the housing meta market consists of landowner, housing company, construction company, manufacturer of the construction materials, banks, and a many others. So these are the things which we called as the meta market. It means all the compulsory as well as the complementary goods related with that main product is available in the same place, under the same roof, provided by the same seller. That is called as meta market. It is not like the producer is producing all the things, but no, the direct from where the customers are buying the product is all the related things are available, which is expected to buy by the customer. So I hope this concept is clear to you, meta market. And the term meta market or the process meta marketing is also related with these things. So let us move to the next one.